What's up guys, it's Trevor with Embers Living. Today we are doing a review. It is a perfect day to do a pizza oven review because it is 30 degrees out and that's like the high today. So it's pretty stinking cold out here. We're testing the new HESTAN pizza oven. It's been a product that's been missing out of their catalog. People will do a whole HESTAN outdoor kitchen, then they have to do a different branded pizza oven. The wait is finally over for this. I've been really excited to review this. Let's see how it does. Let's roll. So don't forget, if you guys are in the Denver, Colorado area, come to our showroom today. You can check out all these products yourself. If you're new to our channel, subscribe, hit all the thumbs up, follow us on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, all the places. Just do it. Trust me, you won't regret it. Okay, pizza oven time. By the way, you see all these grills out here? We review so many stinking grills, I can't sell them fast enough based on how fast I review them. So if you guys want to buy a grill at a discount, one that I've actually reviewed, give us a shout. If you're in the local area, it's much easier to get them to you. Let us know. Side point. Okay, luxury pizza ovens. There's not that many on the market that are going to give you this nice stainless steel finish that's going to match the rest of your kitchen. You know, the Gosney pizza oven here is one of my favorites. It's a mess right now, but it's one of my favorite pizza ovens. But not everyone wants this type of look. They maybe want more of a stainless premium luxury product that's going to flow with their outdoor kitchen a little bit better. So we've had like alfresco, artisan, lynx, and now we've added HESTAN. Twin Eagles is coming out. We're going to be reviewing that one too. So I'm excited that there's more of these luxury pizza ovens coming to the marketplace. Pizza ovens though, I think are over-researched. They're simple products. There's really two main things I think you need to worry about. One is sizing and space. How big is the pizza oven? And two, how hot does this sucker get? And that's what we're testing today. We're actually going to cook a pizza on it, but you need heat and space. Those are my two big things, because if it doesn't get hot enough, it's not going to work as a pizza oven. And if it doesn't get hot enough, it's not going to work as almost like a convection oven if you're doing steaks or something in it. So first, let's fire this baby up. So you can see it does have a battery ignition here. So hear that spark igniter? So let's turn it on. So you can see it lights by that heat exchanger there. There's a little pilot assembly. You can do this in propane or natural gas. Once that's lit, we're gonna let her rip. So you can see that's on high. Now look at that heat exchanger. I ran it the other day, but I didn't really have time to test it. So I'm excited to see how hot it gets. Now you can get this in natural gas or propane. So we're gonna let this heat up, see how long it takes to get hot, especially on a cold day. I can tell you right now, I really like this door. So the fact that we have a door here with airflow, I like that that's totally sealed. One, that's gonna help retain heat. But two, I think a really big thing is sometimes you don't have a good door, the wind can affect a gas pizza oven and can affect your flame pattern, which is no good. You don't want that. So that's really how we control it. And then we have a ceramic hearth on the bottom. And then you can see all of our sides and top are stainless steel. Then it looks like, that almost looks like cast stainless that started that burner down there. That's hitting that heat exchanger. Anyways, it's definitely a high quality machine. Very heavy duty. Looks like it's double walled. And then basically our chimney is right here. So our exhaust is gonna come right here. It's a countertop model only. So you do need to set it onto something. What's really cool about HESTAN, I think one of the fan favorites, is doing all the colors. Well, the pizza oven is no different. So this is the stainless finish, but you can get it all in the black, you know, the orange or Citra, or I'd say Stealth, which is black, is our most common color that we sell. So if you really wanted everything to match, you could do this in black and then that would look money. But we gotta see how it performs first, because it's expensive. It's a luxury pizza oven. It's gotta get hot enough. I mean, let's just get the basics. I love the amount of space in here. So I like that this is a nice big opening. You can see for getting pizza in and out, but more importantly, like if you had a Dutch oven or pots and pans or something, you know, you're doing some cast iron pans, you can use it more like a conventional oven. Cookie trays, whatever you're doing. So sometimes the Gosney is not bad, but it's definitely a lot more squatty. We got a lot less room to work with. So I just think having that nice tall arched opening is gonna be helpful and just make it a little more user-friendly. All right, let's let this heat up. Let's go get our pizza ready, come back and check on it. All right guys, don't make fun of me, but it's Black Friday week, having a very, very busy week. So I did not have time to make my own pizza. So we went to the store and got one, but it is fresh. So I don't know about putting a frozen pizza in a 900-degree oven, but it'd be worth a shot sometime. Chris, you chose Supreme, huh?
Oh yeah.
So a little tip with your pizza oven, I think one of the biggest problems I have is getting the dough to stick to the pizza peel and not being able to get the dough off. So we use Caputo, I think that's how you say it, but it's a lot more grainy of a flour. Not quite like cornmeal, but similar to cornmeal. And I think what that does is that graininess, you know what the graininess reminds me of is like that sand when you're playing that game, you know? What's that puck game, Chris, where it slides across?
Yeah, it's at the bars all the time.
Yeah.
I can't remember the name right now.
We'll just call it a bar game. But those pucks don't get stuck. That's kind of what this does to your pizza. All right, so because we bought this, there's not really any prep work. So now we just have to wait for the oven to get hot. Let's go check on it. All right, again, it's a mess out here because it's been snowing, so these grills are filthy. But you notice HESTAN has the infamous handle, and it's infamously missing from the pizza oven. I guess they could have done it here, but that would have got hot, so you can't do that. But we got that sort of signature HESTAN design, that little grill on the bottom. So aesthetically, no complaints. It definitely looks luxury product. I can feel it heating up. It's been about 5 minutes, so let's come back and check on it in 10 minutes, Chris. All right, let's check our heat gun. So this heat gun maxes out at about 500. So let's check our hearth. So our hearth's at 500. Sidewalls are maxing out. Let's see here, 600, 700. So we're about there. I don't think you want your hearth hotter than 500. As you know, your convection heat you want between 700 and 900 degrees. The hearth you don't want that hot because the bottom of the pizza is gonna burn. Should we throw the pizza on, Chris?
Let's go.
Here's what makes me nervous with pizza. I get gun shy, especially with the camera on. These pizzas cook in like a minute and a half. You got one shot to get it right. And we're just gonna see. If we fail, we're gonna put it on camera. All right, this door is hot. So that's what I will say. You have to be careful with that stainless door because it gets hot. All right, in she goes. You ready? Look at that. Probably didn't need to go that crazy on the flour. If you got your temperature right, it should take anywhere between 3 to 5 minutes. I'd say a minute and a half to 220 each side, or before you rotate it anyway. Give it a little turny. Oh yeah, she's cooking real good. Definitely overdid it on the flour, but I hate it when the dough sticks. There's nothing worse, especially when you got one pizza. You got one shot at it. Worst case scenario, I guess it turns into a calzone. What I like is a nice bubbly top without it burning, and then a nice like golden brown bottom. You can hear it crackling. I don't know if my mic's picking that up. Actually, it looks pretty good. It smells good too.
It does look good.
See if I can get some of this flour out of here. Who made all this mess with this flour? You know what? Each pizza, you kind of get a little feel for it. Do another quarter turn. I think the quarter turn helps me feel how done the bottom is too. Still think it needs one more minute. All right, we better pull it or it's gonna get too burnt on the top. Let's see how we did, Chris. Look at that. All right. All right, so let's cut this up and I wanna see how consistent it cooked. My fear is I got a little impatient. I feel like I should have let the pizza oven warm up a little bit more. Like it crisped up great, but I felt like I should have let that ceramic stone is gonna take the longer to heat up than the stainless steel. But once it's heated up, it's gonna retain the heat better. So I think I blew it a little bit there, but one way to find out. So outside looks good. Son of a gun, that looks hot. How's the bottom look, Chris? Not quite as crispy as I'd like. Let's try it though. It's cooked all the way through. My personal preference is that the bottom is a little crispier though. But that was use your air. I'm telling you that, just note selling pizza ovens. I know that pizza oven's powerful enough. So what do I like about the pizza oven? Well, I love the luxury looks of it. I love that we can get it in any color we want, especially if you're doing, you know, other colored appliances in your outdoor kitchen. It can match perfectly. I love how tall it is, how much space and big the pizza oven is, how much space we have to work with in there. It can hold a big pie, or you can do, like I said, a Dutch oven or something. And most importantly, it gets hot enough. That's the number one thing you need in a pizza oven. The reason we wanted to test that is we've actually had several complaints from Lynx customers saying that the Lynx one doesn't get hot enough. So where would I rank this? I did my top 5 pizza oven, but this one wasn't out yet. It would probably be 1 or 2. Definitely number 1 in the luxury one. I still like the Gosney for the price point and everything, but I'd say that's gonna be, until I can test the Twin Eagles and stuff, the ones I've tested, especially I used to have the Lynx as my favorite, you know, stainless luxury. I've had consistent complaints with the Lynx, which surprised me actually. All right, stay tuned for more. We'll see you guys next time. I got a pizza to eat.